How to log into Reasons Bank online banking account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you're going to find the search box. Type in Reasons, login and search for it. Different website links will appear. Click on this one website option, reasons.com. You will be directed to the login page. Now from this page, you can easily log into your account. All you have to do is type in your Reasons account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your username. In the case you have forgotten your username, you can click on this option, Forgot Username, and recover it. After you type in, if you want to remember your username, check in for this option of Remember My Username and then click on Continue. Now you'll need to type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the option of Forgot Password to recover it. After you fill this, click on Continue, and just for that you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into Reasons Bank online banking account. Likewise, if you haven't registered for your account yet, you can click on the option of Enroll Now and you can register for your online banking account. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily log into Reasons Bank online banking account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.